Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you should be able to solve this math problem. PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with 3 times 1, which is 3. Good job. Let's bring that 8 minus down, divided by 8. Looking back at PEMDAS, division goes first. So what is 3 divided by 8? I don't know. Let me write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 3 over 8. Let's bring that minus sign down, and let's bring that 8 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 8 over 1 equals 8, does not change the 8. And now I'm going to erase this for space. And now, look, we're subtracting two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and I'm going to use a different color. Let's see. Oh, I like that color. All right, so we're going to draw the first wing, 8 times 8. Here's the antenna. So what is 8 times 8? 64. Good job. Next, we draw the other wing and the other antenna. And what is 1 times 3? 3. And then you're going to subtract 64 minus 3. Oops, forgot. Let me finish the butterfly. So this is the body. 1 times 8 is 8. So our new denominator is 8. Now let's look for the numerator. 64 minus 3. So 64 minus, don't leave yet because we need to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer using long division. So that's a 4. Oops, let me write that a little bit better. So 64 minus 3, which is 61. So our improper fraction answer is 61 over 8, and this cannot be simplified further. This is it. This is the answer as an improper fraction answer. Now I'm going to erase all this and write that improper fraction answer to this side of the board. Just use this color still. 61 over 8. I need to buy new markers. Look at the hot pink. Ink is low. All right, so let's write the long division symbol. And it's going to be a long, well, it's not going to be a long digit decimal answer. So let's just make sure we have enough room. Now, let's write the mixed number answer here and then the decimal answer here. Okay, so the 61 goes inside the long division symbol, that is called the dividend, and the 8 goes outside the long division symbol, that is called the divisor. So how many times can 8 fit into 61? Well, I know that 8 times 7 is 56, and that's getting closer to 61. 8 times 8 is 64, so that goes over 61, so 56 it is. So we write that 7 up here. Let me erase this. And 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 8 is 56, okay. And then we subtract 61 minus 56. So, and I'm going to show you the subtraction here for some that needs extra help. So this becomes a 5, this becomes 11, and 11 minus 6 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0, just like that. And hold on, let me erase this. So it's 0 and then 5. All right, so we can write our mixed number answer now. So 7 is the whole number, that goes there. The 5 goes above the fraction bar, and the 8 goes below the fraction bar. And that's your mixed number answer, 7, 5 over 8. Let's continue the long division so we can get our decimal answer. All right, so how many times can 8 fit into 5? You cannot. So let me use a different color. Actually, go back to the purple, darker purple. You cannot, so we need to give the 5 a 0. So 5 needs to borrow 0, so we add a decimal. Oops, that's hot pink here, there. we add a decimal after the 61, and then write a 0, and then a decimal after the 7, and we bring that 0 down, give it to the 5, and now the 5 becomes 50. So how many times can 8 fit into 50? Well, I know 8 times 8 is 64, so that goes over 50. But 8 times 7 is 56. That still goes over. So it must be 8 times 6, right? Because it's 48. And yeah, it's below 50. So 8 times 6 it is, which equals 48. And so the 6 goes up here. And 8 times 6 is 48. Let me just erase this. So minus, so 8 times 6 is 48 there. And 50 minus 48 is 2. Now, how many times can 8 fit into 2? You cannot, so the 2 needs to borrow a 0. Bring the 0, give it to the 2. 2 becomes 20. How many times can 8 fit into 20? Well, 2 times. So it'll be 2 up there. 2 times 8 is 16. And 20 minus 16 is 4. And let me write that over here. So how many times can 8, hold on, let me just write that here. There. How many times can 8 fit into 4? You cannot. So the 4 needs to borrow 0. So I'll just do this. There, and the 4 becomes 40, and then how many times can 8 fit into 40? 5 times, and 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 7.625. Look at that. And if you want to turn this mixed number answer to a mixed number answer, all you have to do is multiply 8 times 7, which is 56, plus 5. So 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. You go back to 61 over and then just keep the denominator 8. So it'd be 61 over 8. Look at that. You got 3 different answers. They're correct. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support also and to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And here's the happy faces. Happy face here, happy face here, happy face here, happy face here, and happy face here. Bye. See you in the next video.